Birds of a feather flock together. Well, I watched the video, and the guy in the video, credits for him for this, for help me on this reflection. And he used this quote, this proverb, "Birds of feather flock together." And I want to talk about it. Well, this is a metaphor for like, for example, birds of a feather means uh, like-minded people flock together, stay together. It's like, it's the same as saying, like-minded people stay together. Like-minded people with similar values, interests, problems as well, and tend to stay together. And what I want to talk about here in this video is that birds of feather flock together. Who are your like-minded people? Who are the birds that wear the same feathers as you? First things first, we have to know who we truly are. We have to embrace our authentic selves. We have to look at our values, inner values. We have to know that we have to peel off the external layers in order to reach out to our truest self. And once we do it, we can connect to those who are in the similar path of ourselves. And the reason I want to talk about it is that I'm going through a situation which I live in a place where I don't enjoy, a place where I don't find birds wearing the same feathers as me. So I'm in a process that I have to stay silent and be disciplined on my job. And of course, discipline, because everybody who wants to go to the next level, if wants to go to the next level, one must be disciplined of some kind. You're not going to reach your full potential, you're not going to reach the next level, you're not going to embrace the change without putting some effort. Consistent, patiently effort. And I don't find a lot of people around to talk about the same things that I enjoy. So another thing that I like in the video that I watched, the guy said the importance of staying silent. And that's the thing that I'm going through at this moment. And I want to share with you the importance of staying silent and be disciplined on your aspirations, on your daily focus activity. Whether it's something that you're studying, whether it's your work, if it's I don't know, maybe a goal, a financial goal. You gotta stick with your goals. And make sure that you're not going to find birds wearing the same feathers as you so easily. So again, I want to share that in the place where I live, I'm disciplined to. I'm committed to my discipline. I'm committed to my daily focus activity to make the change. And since I don't have a lot of people to talk about my aspirations, I have to work silent, really. And one of the missions is leaving this old community. But everything must be planned. Everything must be like you have to focus on daily activity in order to achieve a specific goal. But you don't want to share this goal with birds that aren't the same feathers, that aren't wearing the same feathers as you. No. They'll probably try to drag you down. They'll probably try to pull you back. Yeah. So this is not a way to go. Also, one thing that I want to emphasize is that even those who wear the same feathers as you or similar feather as you, even those who are like-minded, those who you relate with, you don't want to seek validation from anyone, including like-minded people, because you're already validated. You're already validated by the universe. You're already validated by cosmos. You're already validated by God, by high divinity. You're already validated by yourself. Your full potential is within. If you're seeking validation, if we seek validation from those who we relate with, we are needy. We become needy. If you want to be someone that's worth it for you, if I want to be someone who is worth it for me, I just gotta find who I am, embrace my authenticity, and embrace who I truly am. And instead of seeking validation from like-minded people or those birds who wear the same feathers as me, be the value in the room. Bring forth value to like-minded ones. Bring forth value to the birds who are wearing the same feathers as you. Birds of a feather flock together. Yeah. But we need to do our job. So naturally, we're going to find people who are already doing their job as well. And then both will connect. For example, I have friends that are working and that stick with their goals to become better, to improve themselves on a daily basis. And when we sit and talk, we have a nice conversation about life itself. Which, by the way, I truly enjoy having awesome conversations. That's why I'm here in this video. I'm having a conversation with you. The importance of flocking together with like-minded ones, but it's not just this. It's the fact that both of us have to find who we truly are, embrace our authenticity, who peel off the external layers and live authentically, live who we truly are, so we can truly find my like-minded ones, those who really wear the same feathers as us. I'm talking about real feather. I'm talking about inner knowing. I'm talking about living from the inside out. As within, as without, as within, as without. Living from the inside out. Not the other way around. Not from outside in, but instead from the inside out. Once we embrace our authenticity, who we truly are, our core values, our interests, even our problems, even our fears. But the fears that we face, we become who we are actually, that we will naturally discern those who are true to themselves as well. Those are the birds. Those are the birds that I want to have with, that I want to have conversation with. Those are the birds I want to flock together. Those are the birds who I want to fly together. Birds of a feather flock together. And make sure that don't get distracted by birds with birds that have nothing to do to your values. 1 second of distraction with those birds can drag you down, make you lose focus on your life, on a daily life. So I want to emphasize the importance of connecting to our truest self, and after this, we will truly connect to those who live themselves as well, and being the birds that we truly want to be, the real birds, the true free birds. True free birds, which flock with other true free birds, which flock together with other true free birds. So to wrap this up, I want to emphasize that I'm sticking with some goals to go to the next level. But I just can't share these goals with people who have nothing to do to when we're looking at where I'm going to, because this can be a problem for everybody who will share goals to wrong people. You want to take care of this seed that you have in hands. You want to take care of your dreams. You want to take care of your aspirations. You want to take care of who you truly are. So work on your own, on your pace, and when the time comes, you're going to flock the right birds. You're going to flock the right people. You're going to find those who are wearing the same feathers as you. That's it. Thank you. If you like the content, if you like this lessons from life, I like to share the things that I learn on a daily basis. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Remember, explore yourself, explore new places, have good ratings, and awesome conversations. Till next time, bye bye, peace.